guys, it's me Marty and welcome back to Glam with Marty. So today I have another Victoria's Secret semi-annual sale haul. I posted one like maybe a week or two ago. Y'all really seemed to like it. The sale was still going on, so I wanted to show you guys a couple other things that I bought. Now, we'll tell y'all, not everything in this haul was purchased during the semi-annual sale, and not everything was purchased all at once. So like some of these things I got a while back, some of these things I got last week. It just kind of depends on what was there. So if you want to see what I got at Victoria's Secret and how much I paid for each one of them, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Alright y'all, so the first thing I want to show you guys on this haul is this bustier that I am currently wearing. I'm trying it out. I actually wanted to wear this exact outfit for Fashion Week, but I feel like it's kind of a lot of boobs, so we might not do that. Like, that's a lot going on. So I may not be able to do that because with the push-up thing in it, it's pushing them like all the way up. But it's absolutely stunning. It is a gorgeous bustier. I love to wear them under big oversized blazers. And I thought this one, the pink of this blazer with the pink that's in here, was going to be so beautiful. I think this one is new for the summer. Maybe with a black blazer instead of a pink one. But I already wore my black one in a video, so I don't want to do that again. But I want to show you guys all the details on it. This is the length it goes to. Like I said, it is a lot of chest, so I apologize. But look at these little diamond links on the strap. I mean, are you kidding me? Absolutely beautiful. If you want to wear it under something, maybe, I feel like it, like I said, I feel like that's a lot of chest there, but that's my size. I don't know what to say. This bustier, I'm going to show you guys. I want to show y'all, well, I'm going to put the catalog picture of it. I'm going to slide that picture in. Then I'm going to tell you guys what the full price is, and I'm going to tell you guys the price that I paid for it. Now, a lot of these things were purchased with gift cards, birthday gift cards, angel awards, all that stuff. So I may not have paid that exact price like out of pocket, but that's the sale price that I got it for. Like, that's the price it shows on my receipt. So if that makes any sense. Okay, guys, so this first one is not currently on the sale. I don't actually remember how I got the price down this low, but I'll tell y'all what it's called. So this is the push-up corset top. That explains all the chest here. This is the push-up, the very sexy push-up corset top. It retails for $79.99. This is the pattern Blue Orchid, and I paid for it $25.96. I believe there was a 30% off coupon that day. Very Sexy line was also on sale, and I think I had my birthday rewards to use for it. I don't remember, but that's how I got it. So next, I have a couple of these bustiers, so I'm going to do all of those first because I got really into them after the one I wore for my birthday. So this one is it's really similar to the one I wore for my birthday. I don't want to take them all out the bag because they're kind of all the same thing. The one I wore for my birthday is lavender. This one is, I think, damsel pink or something like that. So this is the Very Sexy Allure Lace Corset Bra Top. They retail for $99.95. They're currently on sale at the semi-annual sale for $48.99, but I got it on sale for $42.31. Another good deal. I can't wait to wear that one. I'm thinking this one under like a black blazer, and I have a little beautiful pink quilted Chanel bag that's like this color of pink, so I wanted to get something to match that. So partially made from recycled materials. Oh, that's cool. All right, next one. This one, I'm gonna warn y'all now, is absolutely stunning. I have not tried it on or anything yet. This is like amazing. I'm just warning y'all now how fly it is. Look at this. How beautiful is this, you guys? So definitely this one will be worn at Fashion Week. Now, I bought this months and months ago. I think I got this in February. How beautiful is this? I mean, each little stone, and the stones are not all the same size. It looks like just straight up diamonds. I wanted to wear that tonight, but I thought it might be a lot for a video, and it came with the little straps in there. But look how gorgeous. It's special. It's a really special piece, and I am so glad to have this in my collection. So this is the Dream Angels Lightly Line Embellished Bow Bustier, and it retails for $199.99. It's currently on sale for $79.99, but again, it's so, like, I see why it was $200, why it retails for $200. When I got it, it was on sale for $98.99. So I must have some kind of gift cards or something, because I know I did not pay $100 for this, but it's so beautiful. I see why it would be worth $100. This is just beautiful. This looks like the fashion show. Like, y'all remember the Victoria's Secret fashion show? This looks like it would be like the finale piece. The next one, how many bustiers do I have? Oh, there's one more. Okay. This one, I actually bought some beautiful shoes for my birthday from Ross, from Mark Fisher. Mark Fisher, and they are this like hot purple magenta color, and I don't have anything to wear them with. So I wanted to get something cute to wear them with, so I grabbed this little baby here. I'm going to take her out because, oh no, I can't wear this like I was planning to. This is, she's sexier than I thought she was. There's no covers here, so yeah, we won't be able to do that for, oh, you know what? I could do like under a dress. I have a beautiful blazer dress. I could do it with that maybe, because this thing is really, really sheer. Like, it's going to have to go under a lot. So this one might not be an outside of the house kind of vibe, but it's really beautiful though. It's made really well. So it's got all this pink lace, and then it has these silver accents like running through it. Oh, it's stunning. It's just, I don't know when I'm gonna wear this. It's like so see-through. I didn't realize it was that see-through. Because on the catalog picture, which I'll insert right here, it doesn't look quite that sheer. It looks like the rest of the ones I just showed you guys. Okay, this one is the Wicked Shimmer Lace Corset Top, and these retail for $74.95. At the semi-annual sale, it is currently $29.99. And I got it for $47.49. It's on a much better sale than it was when I picked it up. And guys, just so y'all know, I can't guarantee when the sale is gonna end. I don't know when it's gonna end. Sale prices are always subject to change, and a lot of things run out pretty quickly on semi-annual sale. Don't go to Victoria's Secret like, well, Glenwood already told me that this was gonna be $29. No, don't play me like that. Don't play me like that. So I'm gonna switch gears a little bit to something a little more demure. We are going to talk about pajamas, because I am a fool for some Victoria's Secret pajamas. I wore those. I did a video a couple months ago, I think it was last year actually, I'll put a card for it up here, where I reviewed a bunch of, I did a haul of just pajamas that I purchased at Victoria's Secret, and that's why I was introduced to the modal pajama. You got, I have it in the pink and I have it in black. Oh my God. They are the most comfortable, softest, lightest weight pajamas I've ever worn in my entire life. And I love them for like when I go sleep over to someone's house, or like last year I wore my pink ones for vacation. We all had the vacation house. It's like, it's not showing a lot, but it's super duper comfortable. I would wear it to breakfast every morning with my family, and it was really nice. So the modal, it's expensive, but oh my God, it's so worth it. I love the modal fabric. So I got a couple of things. I think they all actually have that fabric on them. I didn't even open this bag yet, I just realized. So let's look at what I have here. So these again are pajamas, and I have to tell y'all, I'm a pajama fool, because I know I talk about them a lot, but they just affect my life a lot. Because of my headaches, there are times that I'll stay in bed all day because I'm in pain. And those again are good like answer the door type of things, because they cover everything up. Like when I'm home alone, I may sleep in just a t-shirt, but when I'm on vacation, or like I sleep over at my sister's house a lot because my godchild always wants me to go stay with her. So if I'm over there, then I'll put these pajamas on. Again, they're cute, they look chic, they're nice, they're comfy. Let's get it started. So this is the modal, hyped modal small dot. Oh yeah, okay. This is a modal short PJ set. Okay, yeah, it's short. So it's the modal pajama set, but it is in shorts. So I want to show it to you guys before we talk prices here. I love the packaging. They were trying to sell them out for Mother's Day, so oh my God, they're so soft, you guys. But I love the way it's packaged. It comes with this little, it's like tied with this little bow. It has, if you look closely on it, it has cheetah print piping on it. Right, and then it has the little polka dot. So it has a little pocket on the shirt. It has that nice trim. It just, I'm telling y'all, I just always feel like so just elegant and classy in their pajamas. Now these are short, so it might be a little different, but it's like, it reminds me of like old Hollywood. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but I just love like coming down the stairs in my pajamas. Again, I will remind y'all, the modal is expensive. Everything that's modal over there is gonna be expensive, but it's just because they're amazing. So I mean, like, to me, it's worth it. So these were on sale when I got them. The other prints are not on sale anymore, but this one actually came. This was the last one of this print. I don't know if they're going to be restocking them or anything, but this one was on sale, but this particular style is not available anymore, but all the rest of the styles are. They retail for $64.95. Like when I got mine, I got this one for $26.99. Pretty sure, if I remember correctly, that I actually had some kind of points to redeem or something, because I remember I had to buy something with it before my points expired. So I tell y'all this for every store, but get on the Victoria's Secret email list, join Pink Nation, join the app, so that way you'll get notified when there is a big sale outside of like the semi-annual sale, because they do random sales all the time. I always get my pajamas in a size large so they're comfortable to sleep in. I don't like sleeping in tight stuff. I did get the same print in a long and a pant set. Let me show them to y'all while we're talking about it. Yep, here it is. So this is the pant set. They only had it in extra large, but here's something else I love about Victoria's Secret. They sell lengths in their items. Not on the pink side, but in the Victoria's Secret side, you can get something in a small, a regular, or a large. I'm 5'8", which I'm not super tall, but things do tend to get short on me really quickly. So when I saw long, it is bigger than I would like it. It's an extra large, but the deal was so good, and it was a size long, so I didn't care. I wanted it. I was like, I'm gonna be sleeping in it. If it's too big, that's okay. What's gonna happen? So this is the pant set. I'm gonna put the catalog picture right here. It's the same exact thing. It's got the leopard print on the side, the piping, and then it has the red polka dots on the background. Absolutely beautiful. I am so excited about this because my pink and my black set, I wear those things all the time. Again, so comfortable. Just touching them right now, they feel so cool. All right, so price points on this ensemble right here. I'm gonna tell you what it retails for before I tell you guys what I paid for it, because the deals on the semi-annual sale for these were insane. Oh, let me tell y'all this too. I'll put links for everything that I'm showing you guys down below in the description too. So if you do want to check them out, you can go back and check them out. But like I said before, it is the semi-annual sale. Stuff is selling out left and right, but you can get something like it over there. So I'll put a link to either this or the closest thing. Yeah, like this particular print is no longer available. These retail for $69.95, and I paid for this one $33.99. So really, really good deal. Like I said, I don't know if these were like Christmas editions or something, because both of these, this one and the short set, they were on like mega ultra clearance. Like they were ready to get those things out of there. So I don't know if it's an older one or something. The next two too are really, really discounted. So let me show y'all the next one. Next, I want to show y'all the modal sleep shirt. And I'm not going to get too much into detail on both of them because it's the same thing. I got two of them. I got the colors that I have in the pajama set, which is the pink and the black. The pink and black just reminds me of Victoria's Secret. Like it's the angel piping, like it's the traditional. The bags are the pink color. I love that Victoria's Secret tradition. You know what I mean? I love the packaging. I love the girliness. I love the pink. I love the stripes. I love me some Victoria's Secret. When I was younger, I really did love the pink side more, but lately I've been drifting more now that I'm getting older to the Victoria's Secret side, which I'm saying older, but more mature. Like I don't need little dogs all over my pajamas. I like a much more simple, much more comfortable situation now. You know what I mean? I don't know if that makes sense. Maybe I'm crazy. Now remember, I was shopping on mega clearance. So some of these things, the sizes are bigger. Like this one is an XL, but it's long. I'm so excited about it. And then the sleep shirt. So again, it's the same shirt. I got it in, oh, this is a pink wash. It's not like my other one. It's not like the pajama set. The pajama set is just straight up pink. But this one's like a pink wash, which I don't really care. So they're sleep shirts. They have long sleeves. They button down, and they're just like, it's almost like a gown, but it's like a button down gown that looks like a t-shirt. They call them sleep shirts, but it's so beautiful. So this one is an XL. That's the pink one with the black piping. And then this one is a, oh wait, this has pink piping? Why? They are different than the pajamas. Okay, because this one, I got a large in the black sleeve shirt, but the black sleeve shirt has pink piping. The black pajama set has white piping. It looks very Chanel, and I love it. Speaking of which, the short set, by the way, I forgot to mention, comes with short sleeves instead of long sleeves. So it's different than the other one as well. But anyway, so the sleep shirts, these are the two sleep shirts, extra large, and let's get price points. So, okay, they are on sale right now. Looks like all of them are still on sale. They retail for $44.50. They are currently on sale for $21.99. Really good deal. And like I said, they are super duper comfortable. Very excited to wear those. I'll be doing, like I said earlier, a try on haul on my TikTok page. All right, so that was the last thing on my second summer semi-annual sale haul. Ooh, that was a tongue twister, girl. The alliteration, though. So, yeah, so everything I showed you guys today, I am going to link each one of them down below. And if they don't have the exact thing anymore, I'll look up something similar. I'll also link this jacket. I'm going to link this top. I'm going to link all of those tops. Everything I am wearing on my face is going to be listed down below. along with all of my social medias, which I'm going to mention 3 of them here. My TikTok page, because that's where I'm going to do the try-ons for these. I just did one for the Pretty Little Thing haul, which is where this jacket came from. Follow my Instagram page right here. My outfits of the days I usually post on there. Just random stuff around the house, how I try to keep the house and my life like as glam as possible. Always on a budget. You can follow my Instagram page right here. Yeah, my Twitter page, you guys can check out anything that I, just random things. I've been live tweeting RuPaul's Drag Race, All-Star Season 7. I've been live tweeting when I watch like Raw and SmackDown on my WWE shows. I've been, oh my God, y'all, I've been going off about the Supreme Court ruling to overturn Roe versus Wade. That crap is terrifying. I don't know what's happening. But anyway, I talk about a lot of politics. I talk to a lot of politicians on there. I tend to get blocked by a couple of them. Hey, Jim Jordan. But you can see all of that on my Twitter page. I want to thank you guys so much for 400 followers on Instagram and over 250 subscribers here on YouTube. I kind of stopped watching my YouTube subscriber count for a little while. After I got to that 200, I kind of chilled out because I was trying so hard to get to the 200. I am so thankful for 250 subscribers, guys. I really, really appreciate it. So now that we're at the halfway mark to 500, I will tell y'all I do have a giveaway coming when I hit 500 subscribers. I'm trying to get more things into it so I can give out like a bundle. But just know, I'll give y'all details on that a little later when we get closer to it. But I will be doing another giveaway at 500 subscribers. So if you like this video, go ahead and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time you get glam if you want to come on over and get glam with Marty. See y'all next time. Bye.